welcome to the poster Understanding Online Interactions Between Autistic and Non-Autistic People. So the double empathy problem proposes that there's a bidirectional disconnection between autistic and non-autistic people when they communicate, with non-autistic people consistently rating autistic people as harder to read, as having lower first impressions of autistic people, and lower rapport when they interact with each other. But the way that we're interacting as a society is moving more and more towards online forums. And so Marsh et al. Conducted a study which found that this bidirectional disconnection may be mitigated during online interactions. So we wanted to know what was it that may be mitigating this, and decided to investigate the non-verbal behaviours of these participants during that study. So we wanted to investigate whether or not there are any diagnostic effects or differences. Does it matter whether somebody's autistic or non-autistic? Whether there were any dyadic effects, so is what important who you are interacting with? And whether or not there were any individual differences. So we took 65 videos from the Marsh et al. Study where everybody conducted a number of 3-minute conversations using a speed dating paradigm where they discussed a would you rather question and then rated their rapport after each interaction. So we analysed 28 mixed neurotype videos, 18 autistic matched videos and 9 non-autistic matched videos. We used OpenFace to analyse both the frequency and intensity of Action Unit 4, which would show a frown, Action Unit 6 and 12, which would show a smile, and we calculated the frequency and intensity and synchrony of both these smiles and frowns. So we found that there were no diagnostic effects. So it didn't matter. Autistic and non-autistic people were not using their facial expressions in different ways. We found that there were no dyadic differences in the intensity or frequency of smiles or frowns, but we did find some individual differences, with frowns negatively predicting the rapport of both the individual and their partner. Now, we did find some dyadic differences in the synchrony across all 3 levels. So the strength of synchrony, the timing synchrony, and the temporal coupling of synchrony across both mixed and autistic dyads. So what does this mean? Well, frowns may be a better indicator of rapport than smiles. The results are not consistent with seeing a double empathy problem during these online interactions, and that non-verbal behaviour may actually be appraised differently during online interactions. And online interactions may actually provide a level playing field for autistic people. Thank you.